What's worse than contracting COVID for not following the health protocols? Being defiant and not cooperating to stop the spread of it, an offense that is punishable under the Epidemic Diseases Act of India 1897 that attracts imprisonment for up to 6 months or a fine of 1000 rupees or both. Now you all remember that Kareena Kapoor and her BFF Amrita Arora have got coronavirus for flouting COVID norms as per the BMC, who said that the two Abhinetris, jab they met, went about while partying without caring they are kitne dur kitne paas. So now the Mahanagar Palika has expressed its ऐतराज over Bebo's परिवार not cooperating and playing chupke with them, क्योंकि even after repeated पूछताछ they are only saying that Saif Ali Khan is not an Amchi Mumbai. क्या कहना? Kareena had tested positive for COVID-19 on Monday, 12th of December, along with a gal pal Amrita Arora. The Sarkari Karmcharis have now set up COVID-19 testing camps in Kareena and Amrita Arora's buildings as per reports. Both the heroines are currently experiencing Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum at home quarantine. BMC sources said that the Khan Parivar is showing them Tashan and giving them too much tension by acting like Ajnabis and not disclosing the Atapata of Chote Nawab Saif. Even after constant poochtach, Kareena's family is doing golmaal and telling them that Saif is not in Mumbai past the 1 week. However, the BMC feels they are doing some Kala Kandi because they haven't revealed anything about where exactly is Agent Vinod. Is he Goa gone or is he in Rangoon? Na tum jano na hum, because Saifu, like a phantom, is nowhere to be seen and has taken Udan to some undisclosed location, proving that he is indeed an Anadi and not a Khiladi, according to the BMC. But while you and I all know Saif's Pehla Nasha is not Instagram or Twitter, his BV Kareena is totally fida on Insta. The good news is that on 30th December, she had posted a picture of him proving to the world that hum saath saath hai. In this pic, Saif sitting on the bed in full suraksha of his home with a tray full of khana pina, while their beta Taimur is seen busy drawing something in a picture book. But now as BMC is doing Salam Namaste at the Saif residence, his talash seems to have just begun and all the Khan Parivar has to say to them is ki chote nawab milenge. But while we are talking about this post, the most shocking comment below it is that of the revolver Rani herself, Kangana Ranaut. It reads beautiful with a dil ka emoji in the end. I was really shocked to see such a pyar bhara comment under this post from an otherwise resentful Rajjo who is either doing ungli or taking panga with the Bollywood walas. One of the Insta users was left as ascharya-chakit as I was, wondering if Kangana's account was indeed hacked. Lol. But coming back from Kangana's Katti Batti to Corona, the BMC sources said that for now, there has been no history of any Videsh Yatra by any of these celebrities. So at this point, no genome sequencing will be done. Sutro ke mutabik, naile pe dehla is that the contact tracing is hamesha on by the BMC's health department. Several teams have also been formed to do the job. If they find anything or need to do the genome sequencing, then they might do it at a later stage. Well, at this point, I remember this PJ that I used to crack before. What if two viruses are really in love? What would they sing? Genome ka saath hai hamara tumhara. Sorry, forgive me for this. But for now, BMC ka dil chahta hai that this Ashik Awara ends the race to find him very soon, or he could be in a cocktail of trouble and pay the कीमत, because this time not Bhoot Police but the real police might end up playing Tu Chor Main Sipahi with him. Well, we just hope that this story has a happy ending for everyone, but आपको कोरोना से डरना मना है as long as you follow the COVID protocols and don't be too dabang like these two girlfriends. On that note, मुझे कुछ कहना है. आप आज ही मुझे इंस्टा, फेसबुक और ट्विटर पर फॉलो कर लो. इट्स @reviewron और @रौनक कोटेचा ऑन ट्विटर. और परंपरा के मुताबिक यहाँ सब्सक्राइब किया है तो बेल आइकन भी प्लीज दबा दो. आफ्टर ऑल, कल हो ना हो. All right, but even if you want to stay ajnabi and don't do any of these things, just please take care of yourself and those around you. Jai Hind.